live at Hagerstown. So, we need to see Hagerstown tornado siren. So, Hagerstown, Indiana. Here we go. We're driving right now, so we're going to see the tornado siren. Hagerstown, Indiana. Hagerstown, Indiana. I live in Hagerstown, Indiana. So, driving right now. Oh, here it is. I see you. Wait. Maybe popping up a little bit. It got popping up. Wait. Right there. Wait. Right there. He goes down Indiana. Tornado siren. Right there. Wait. It might be right here. It's right here. We didn't see it that much, but let's go see the front of it real quick.
How do you get to the front of it?
You just got to go like...
Shit.
What?
Go around this way?
I don't know. You should try, dude.
Here. Look out this way.
Okay.
There you go.
I'm zooming.
Now
Wait.
you can see it. See it?
Wait. Come a little bit closer real quick. Back up a little bit.
You can't back it up.
Oh. But it was...
Okay, we got it, right?
But I didn't get it yet. Oh.
There it is.
One. Right there. Right there. Wait. No. No. Right there.
Mama's gotta drive. We're gonna get in trouble.
It goes down tornado siren. Okay, guys. Bye.